Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to share with you this easy, delicious, creamy zucchini soup. But first, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe. First, I have 100 grams of zucchini, 1 medium size of onion. And then we have vegetable powder, salt to taste, and pepper. Again, I have garlic cloves and spinach. Behind, I have 200 milligrams of water, vegetable broth, and also I have 150 milligrams of heavy cream. And lastly, I have fresh prawns and oil. I'm going to start by introducing some amount of sunflower oil to my pot. Go for butter or olive oil. And then I'll let it heat up a little bit while I bread my onion. If I am right, we have three consistencies of soup. We have thin soup, we have thick cream soup, and light cream soup. My case today, I am going for light cream zucchini soup. Soup is nourishing to the system, guys. Soup prepares the system before meal. And it's also cold out there, guys. So it's perfect if you just come back home and have a nice hot soup. There are people who just want to have a bowl of soup. Maybe they just want to go for diet or they want to lose weight. Soup is a perfect alternative. If you are sick, thin soup is a great alternative, or any cream soup. I have girls who just come in, all they want to have is a bowl of soup with fillings inside, and they are good to go. Have soup before your meal, it will digest easier. At this point, I have sweat my onion a little bit, a little bit glassy, and then introduce your garlic and saute together. Never allow your garlic to get burnt. If not, your soup will be bitter. So just saute a little bit, have this glass color, and then I will introduce my sliced zucchini. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for joining. My name is Anskrieger. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so. Click the notification bell and you will be notified anytime I post a video. I post once a week interesting recipes. Please check out my channel for more recipes. You will sure find something for you. I have sauteed my zucchini up to this time, and then I will season with some salt, the next spices I will season with some vegetable powder. This is just optional. You mustn't go for any vegetable powder or bouillon powder. Again, I will season with small amount of black pepper. You can go for white pepper or black one, or any spice, Scotch bonnet pepper, or whatever spice you would prefer to go for. After incorporating all the spices, I'm going to declare with small amount of water. We want to mind the amount of liquid we add or vegetable broth. Then you will not go for vegetable powder if you are going for vegetable broth. So in this case, I just declare with some water, cover up and let it cook. Usually to my cream soup, light or thick soup, I always want to have some fillings, which yeah, you can go for just normal soup without adding any fillings. You can go for anything of your choice. You can go for croton. There are so much fillings you can go for, but today I am going for just sliced of zucchini and some fresh prawns. To my prawns, I just season with salt, pepper. You can add in garlic, spicing up a little bit, and then just a gentle grill on your pan and it will be ready. Like guys, I love fillings on my soup. It makes it more fun to have soup on, just instead of swallowing having your soup. It's fine, but cream soup always requires, or any soup should have some fillings inside. That's the fun of it. So after I'm done with this, just a little bit of roast, nice one, just set aside. Back to our soup. This is what it looks like, guys. So you want to let your zucchini get well cooked. The skin should be very soft. If not, by the time you mix it, you will end up having some funny green chunks in your soup. So I added some spinach to this soup. This is to retain the color, because if you are making any green soup after cooking, you will lose the color of the soup, and I love to retain the color of the component, whatever component I'm going for. I love to retain the color. So I added some spinach and then pureed this, and that's it. It looks very smooth, very smooth. There is no funny chunks or whatever. This is because the zucchini was well cooked. Just give it a taste, and you're going to add in your heavy cream. If you want to add one, you can add just small amount of butter if you want to have that, those fineness of soup. But it's just fine like this. I didn't add any butter. This is the look I have right now. The green is still there. That's the most important thing for me. If I'm eating zucchini green, let me have green. If I'm having white, let me have white. So I'm going to just pour in a jar. If you wish, pour in a jar and let it cool down. Cover up in the fridge and get it out, warm it up, and enjoy your soup anytime, any day. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell to be notified. Just to beautify it for the sake of eyes, I'm going to just add in some foam from milk foam. This is just a normal milk foam. Add in your grilled zucchini and the prawns, and that's it. You can serve this for your girls if you are sick. Just nice soup, or just enjoy your meal, your soup. Thank you, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so.